In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to change it for security reasons, the process is quick and straightforward. By following these steps, you'll be able to securely access your Xero account with a new password in no time. First and foremost, let's begin by navigating to the Xero website. When you're looking at the home page, locate the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the page where you usually enter your account details. Once you're on the login page, you're going to enter your email and current password as you normally would when logging in. Don't worry, even though you're resetting your password, this step is necessary to access your account settings securely. After entering your email and password, proceed by clicking on the login button to access your dashboard. Following your successful login, take a moment to find your profile photo, which should be visibly located once in your dashboard. Clicking on your profile photo is your gateway to accessing various account settings. It's an easy step but a crucial one, as it leads you directly to areas where you can make significant changes to your account. After clicking on your profile photo, you should see an option labelled Account. Go ahead and select this. This step brings you closer to the section where you can change your password among other settings. Remember, keeping your account secure is critical, and changing your password regularly is a good habit to get into. Now you're at a critical point where you're about to change your password. Look for a link or button titled Change under the password section. This is where the actual password reset process begins. The interface is designed to guide you seamlessly through this process, so you're just a few clicks away from setting a new password. You will be prompted to type in your current password first. This is an additional security measure to ensure that the request to change your password is authorized. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to create a new one. When creating a new password, make sure it's strong and secure. This means using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type your newly chosen password into the new password field. Be mindful of the strength indicators, if available, to ensure your new password meets the security requirements. After you've entered your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the next field. This step is simply to verify that there were no typos or errors in your new password. Ensuring that both fields match is crucial for the change to be effective. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Look for a save button or link and click on it. This action will update your account with the new password you just set. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your password. It's important to remember this new password and consider using a password manager to securely store it. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset your Xero password. This simple yet essential task ensures that your account remains secure and only accessible to you. Remember, if you ever forget your password or need to change it for any reason, you can always come back to this procedure. Now you're all set to continue using Xero with your new password. Remember, security is paramount when it comes to your digital accounts, so changing your password periodically is a wise decision. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to reset your Xero password, ensuring your account remains secure and easily accessible to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful guides and tips.